Today I will be unboxing the Rubik's connected cube. Hey everyone, SpeedyGoneCuber here. Today I'll be unboxing my first ever smart cube. And there we go, we have the cube. So it's a cube that connects to my smartphone. I am so excited. Wow. There's the Rubik's connected cube. It's got an interesting feel. It also feels kind of heavy, the cube. Well, that would make sense because the cube has some chip inside it that obviously is what makes the cube able to connect to like a smartphone. So let's do first turns. It's pretty nice. Turning is pretty good. Let's do a scramble. When I turn, why is it doing that to the center when I turn? I don't know why. It seems to be working absolutely fine with all the other centers. What's up with... Oh, the red center's working now. Let's try and do a solve. Yeah, so I think this cube is pretty good. The magnets feel really strong. I think that'll be pretty good. But so far, turning of it, you know, it feels already like it's been lubricated out the box, so I probably won't need to lubricate it myself. You know, after more and more breaking in, this cube should hopefully feel pretty good. It already does feel pretty good. So I just had my iPad ready and I've just downloaded the app, so I'm gonna press open. Let's press OK. Would it like to connect to Bluetooth? So I'll press yes. Like, I don't know if the cube has battery. Yeah, I think I'll need to charge the cube. So I think how this thing works is that to charge it, you plug the thing into here. Let me try. Like this. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long to charge, but I'll meet you guys when I'm back. So we are back now and the cube has been charged. So now what I'm going to do is press the button on here. It looks like this is the cube. Press the cube, tap on the cube, connecting. So I will just fill in the login details and I'll meet you guys when I'm back. Ho, it's recognizing every turn that I do. That is so cool. So you can see every turn that I do comes right onto this virtual cube. So it's like, it now recognizes every turn. So let's do an H perm. Haha, I just did an H perm down there. That is super cool. And let's do a T perm. So you can see now this is a T-perm. And then when I just solve it, it solves the virtual cube. So let's press got it. Fit the color you see on the screen. All right, yes. So what cuber level am I? I am a pro cuber. Solo, pro cuber, scrambling. Let's try solo, see what that is. Let's press continue. I just do the scramble. There, so it's giving me 15 seconds to inspect. Can I start whenever I like? I don't know. Oh no, I'm messing up. Oh, this is gonna be so bad. Oh no. That was not a good solve. 14.04 seconds. Let's play again. Oh, I messed up on the U-perm, come on! I clearly don't know how to do U-perms, 1473, let's play again. I should be getting sub 10s. I'm just so determined to get a normal solve. It actually corrects me if I make a wrong move. That's pretty cool. I messed up slightly on the last layer. We got 11.73. I think it's time to press on the main menu because we have to do more here. There's a lot we can do. I'm not going to just waste my time on solo. Let's try pro cuber. So what is this? Beginners, or should we do Paris medium? Rome is hard. New York is expert. Find match. It's searching for someone. Oh, this is so cool. That's so epic. Oh, I'm racing somebody. I'm racing someone called Anthony. Oh my gosh, this is so intense. I'm actually racing somebody. Oh, I see absolutely nothing in inspection. Top 10, let's go. Shall we do a rematch? I can't believe I actually won that one, but I'm kind of scared because I did get kind of lucky there. Nah, not a good solve, 13. Oh, I still won that one. That was pretty nice. Should we do a rematch? Okay, I've tracked my first F2L perk. Can I see any further? Nah, I can see the red and blue at F2L perk pretty easily. Yes! That was a nice solve for me. I got 8.28. I mean 8.27. So now we can actually press on to advanced stats, and this should hopefully give us statistics. Wow. So this is something I've been the most excited for because you actually get statistics on the solving. I have how quick I did my cross, my second F2L pair, my turns per second was 7.49. I can see how quick it took me to do each step. That is really useful because if I want to do deliberate practice, I'll be able to see which steps I'm the slowest at and I'll be able to see what I can improve on. Wow, and it gives like a whole reconstruction of what I'm doing. Let's do scrambling. How fast can you follow your moves? I don't think I can do any of these, so let's do beginners. Find match. So it's telling me to shuffle the cube. Searching somebody. Have we got someone? Julian. Get ready, set, go. So I follow a scramble. So I won that one by a lot. Let's go back to matches. I think I'll do expert. Let's find match. So this one might be a little bit more challenging because I selected a more difficult mode. Okay, so I won that one again. It really doesn't matter how quick you scramble. Usually you just get better at it as you practice. But let's move on to something different. It's interesting how they have lots of different things. So let's try this challenge thing. I don't even know what this is. Let's try super expert. I guess we'll find out what this thing is once we do it. We found someone, Carson. So what do we, oh, we have to get a pattern that's in the middle. So you have to match the Rubik's Cube to the pattern. Oh my gosh, this is so intense. Okay, so we got the red and then another red. All right, this is intense. They beat me, oh no. Maybe I'll try expert. Maybe expert is going to be a bit better than super expert. For some reason, I thought like I'm good at cubing, so I'll be good at doing that, but no. Parker. Now that I know what to do, I'm nervous. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Let's try and get the yellow. Maybe I'll get the yellow one here, and then we need to get an orange one to go opposite it. Get a yellow piece. Oh, they beat me. Oh, I suck at this. I think I'm going to try and do the beginner one. Find match. I'm racing Christopher. Yes, I won. Let's try re-scramble. What is this? Right, so it's searching for an opponent. Brennan Lynn. Oh wait, I'm doing re-scramble. Oh my gosh, how do I... So I need to get to the scramble on screen. I'm trying my best, Okay, so we've got the first side. Oh yeah, there's a red one that needs to go there. They're probably gonna be there before I get one side. There we go, I've got one side. My opponent is turning so fast, whereas I'm just like, wait, what? Wait, so the red and blue edge used to be that. Where's the red and blue edge? Now green. Yeah, they finished. Let's go back to matches. I'm never doing this one again. Just kidding. I'll do this like another time. Let's take a look. With my 8.27 I got earlier on, I'm actually ranked 156 for everyone who has the Rubik's connected cube. Who's the fastest? No way. look at all the people at the top. So like at the top, we've got Timon Koloshinsky right at the top with his 399. And Max Park is in second with his 429. And we've got Felix Mdegs, Leo, Ben Barron, Philip Wire. So we've got Red Bull Rubik's Cube World Cup. I don't think I'm ready for that. Oh, there's these. These are the games. All right, so let's do something called Cubicizer. Continue. Oh, do I follow the algorithm? So Mary had a little lamb. That is cool. Oh, we could do happy birthday. Let's try and get it to rhythm. Yeah, that was cool. Patterns is coming soon. We could do paint it. Okay, let's do a puzzle. Oh, so this is cool. I get to make like a mosaic. Oh yeah. Oh, I make the side. Oh, this is cool. Like I make the sides of my cube and then it does, like, so I make that one and then, so this level's kind of easy. So like, I just made a puzzle so we can press next level. Oh yeah, I'm making this so difficult. Shouldn't be. That one, and then we need the yellow. I'm really enjoying this. I've been really enjoying this, so let's go back. What's that thing? Hold it with the red face in front of me. That is interesting. Continue. So I think it's some sort of memory game. So I do U. I copy what it says. It's like a memory game, but on the cube. My memory sucks, by the way. So I have been using the Rubik's Connected Cube for almost a week now, and here are my thoughts. Firstly, this cube is absolutely incredible. The turning of this puzzle is absolutely amazing. Like that right there is incredible turning. And the fact that you can get this performance on the Rubik's brand is incredible. Like I get exactly the same times on this to what I get on a GAN 11M Pro. I would like to talk about the app as well because the app has been working really smoothly for me. I've never had any issues with the cube disconnecting. Yeah, the app's done everything I've wanted it to do. The app pretty much flows as smoothly as I would like it to. The games are also really fun. I think everything it offers is really useful. The app actually gives statistics about all of your solves, showing you exactly what you've done for each solve. I personally found this to be extremely useful when I was looking at the move count I was using. I saw that my move count is typically taking more than what I expected. Sometimes I could take about like 85 moves to solve the cube, which is definitely more than what I expected. I thought I was taking about 60, 65 moves to solve a cube, but turns out I'm doing a lot more. So what I'm now trying to do is I'm trying to remove all the unnecessary turns and basically improve my efficiency. I've been getting a lot more sub 10 since then, and the flow of my solves has been really great, and this is all because of buying the Rubik's Connected Cube. Now I could say so many good things about this puzzle, however this video is already getting kind of long. It's just pretty much a great cube. I would highly recommend it. However, there is one problem about this cube which is really bothering me. No, this problem is not about the cube disconnecting, it's not about the app, it's not actually within the cube's performance itself. You know the thing I showed at the beginning of the video? And when I turn a face, the cube ends up turning only the pieces of the side instead of the actual center. What this is doing is it's meaning that I might do a turn, but then on the Rubik's Connected Cube app, it wouldn't recognize the turn because the center didn't move. And therefore, sometimes I want to move it backwards and then it's turning absolutely fine. So then the cube will not recognize when it's solved, and sometimes when I do timed solves or races, once the cube is solved, the app would not recognize that it's solved. Now, as I said before, this is not because of the app, it's because of the cube itself. It's only this one problem about this puzzle that is kind of bothering me, but it's not too bad. I hope Rubik's and GoCube could do something about this. Anyway, I do want to know if you guys have experienced the same issue as me, or is it just my cube that does this? I don't know if it's just my cube. It could happen to everyone's cubes, but no one's been talking about it. I really don't know. And everything else I can say about this cube is absolutely incredible. Like some people underestimate how amazing it could be, the fact that it's a Rubik's brand. However, I was actually very, very surprised by the performance of this cube. Like, just watch me turn on it. Just is really good. But anyway, the fact that I get the exact same times on this cube to what I do on my main just really shows how good this puzzle is. And if I could actually have the opportunity to use this cube in a competition, it wouldn't affect my performance at all. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, let me know in the comments. And also, if you haven't already, there is I think about a week left to enter my 500 subscriber giveaway. So feel free to enter that giveaway if you haven't already. We'll be giving away an incredible square one, and also we post cubing videos every week, which you probably won't want to miss out on. This has been quite a long video, but I want to let you guys know, if you've been interested in buying the Rubik's Connected Cube, highly recommend it. I bought it for £60 on Amazon. Thank you for watching and happy cubing.